Guess what? You're using Linux without knowing it. You probably have seen the Linux mascot everywhere, but didn't have time to search about it. Hopefully, in this video, I will talk about Linux, his history, and how he became popular. In 1991, a young student named Linus Torvalds started Linux as a fun project to create a free program that helps computers work. Think of it as a core of computer, connecting the hardwares like the keyboard or screen to the software you use. Linus was frustrated with other systems that were expensive or limited, so he shared Linux for free and online. He almost called it Freaks, but a friend renamed it Linux when sharing it. In 1992, Linux quickly became a hit. People added the visual interface with windows and buttons, making it easy to use it without typing complex commands. Linus teamed up with a group called GNU, who made a free tool to help Linux do more, like browsing files or running programs. This made Linux a strong, free alternative to costly system. Another programmer criticized Linux, saying it was old-fashioned, but Linus and his community keep improving it, making it work on many types of computers. In 1994, Linus protected the name of Linux to keep it free and open source for everyone. That year, Linux 1.0 was released, a stable version that showed it could compete with big systems. Companies like Red Hat created a user-friendly version of Linux, bending it with tools and visual to make it simple for everyone to use. In 1996, Linus chose a cute penguin named Tux. Tux is the Linux mascot that you see everywhere. In 1998, major companies like IBM and Oracle started using Linux for serious work, like running websites or company servers. Linux also got a new look called KDE, which made it as easy to use as other computers. Some people wanted even freer version, so they created GNOME, another user-friendly interface. So after all this helped Linux appeal to more people. In 1993, Linux popularity led to the creation of distributions, which are packages that combine the Linux core with tools and interfaces to make it easier to everyone to use. The first one were Slackware, which was created in 1993 by Patrick Volkertink. Slackware was one of the earliest Linux versions. It's simple and flexible, letting users set up their computer however they want. At the same year, Debian was created by Ian Murdoch. It's loved for being reliable and its foundation for many other Linux versions, like Ubuntu, which was launched in 2004 as a user-friendly Linux version with simple interfaces, regular updates, and wide device support. There was also Red Hat, which was started in 1994 as a reliable Linux version designed for companies running critical systems like websites or databases. Of course, the famous Kali Linux, which was released in 2013 as a specialized Linux version packed with tools for cybersecurity professionals to test and secure systems against hackers. And of course, you cannot forget Arch Linux, which developers installed it just to say, I use Arch Linux by the way. Other than that, it's a minimalist Linux version for people who enjoy building their own custom system from scratch, and it's supported by extensive guides. As I said in the beginning of the video, whether you're navigating with your car GPS, streaming on your smart TV, or even using ATM, remember, Linux is probably the system that makes it all work. So give it a try, install it on your computer, and join the millions who love it free. So thank you everyone for watching. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again in the next video.